Okay, so let's go ahead and look on a pen tool, and this is just a simple to draw separate lines forever. So example, we have our normal pen. Let's create some color, and with the settings, our blending mode normal, so we can have it a normal pen. We have it also lighten, which is create a little bit brighter, and you can see how it's working on a white dot. Because we're on a lighting, so our darkened pen create a different effect. Okay, also on the pen, as usual, we have our size of our pen, small to big. We have opacity, and it's much stronger now, of course, because we're using 100. We also have hardness. Okay, let me go ahead to the normal pen so we can see inside, because our darkness will affect. Okay. Now we have our opacity, we have our hardness, and look right here on the edges. And notice when we have it hardness, because it's going sampling, it create almost like a dot. So if we take our spacing and increase, now we can almost have it going with the dots creating. Okay, also the hardness remove from this one. We can have it spacing. And if we want straight line, we go spacing to 1. And we'll just have it one uninterrupted line. The properties of the beside the blending, it's very similar on the pen as with eraser tool. So there will be, except eraser will be removing and pen will create drawing. And it's pressure sensitive, so if you're using your Bicom pad, it will affect as well. But overall, here's the properties. Notice as we're selecting pen tool, some effect like gradient in image not available for us. So all what we have it is just a color selecting for our pen.